morning, children. Today we will learn how to solve the problems related to combination of the different plane shapes from the exercise 12.3. Okay, let us start the session. Good morning, children. Let us see some more problems related to the calculation of area of shaded region. Here, example number 17 reads, find the area of the shaded region. Look at the figure here. This is the combination of three semicircles. Okay. The first semicircle is with radius 14 centimeter. And the other two semicircles are smaller in size, but their radii are 7 centimeter. Okay, look at these two smaller semicircles. The radius of this is 7 centimeter and radius of this is also 7 centimeter. This is the larger semicircle whose radius is 14 centimeter. But how to find out the area of the three semicircles? Means area of the shaded region. Okay. See here, children, the area of the shaded region is the area of the larger semicircle with radius 14 centimeter. I take the radius of this larger circle as capital R equal to 14 centimeter and radius of this smaller circle, take it as small r. Therefore 7 centimeter. Now let us take radius of the larger semicircle is equal to 14 centimeter and first let us calculate the area of the larger circle. Area of the larger circle is half of phi capital R square. Here capital R is 14, therefore 14 square is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 square is 196. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are, and after the simplification we get 308 centimeter square. So area of the larger circle is 308 centimeter square, and I call this as equation 1. Okay. Now let us calculate the area of these two smaller circles. Both the smaller circles have 7 centimeter radius. This also has 7 centimeter radius. Therefore, radius of each smaller circle is 7 centimeter. Now, we will calculate the area of two smaller semicircles. Now, area of two smaller semicircles. Okay. We know that area of one smaller semicircle is half phi r square. But here, there are two semicircles. Therefore, 2 into half phi r square. Phi r square means area of one full circle, but half phi r square means area of one semicircle, but there are two semicircles. That is why 2 into half of phi r square. Therefore, it is 2 into half into phi. Radius is 7 square. Right? Here, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Phi means 22 by 7 into 7 square. 7 square, okay? 7 square means 7 into 7. Here 7 get cancelled. 22 7s are 154 centimeter square. Right? I call this 154 centimeter square as equation 2. Okay, children? Now I add equation 1 and equation 2. Then I get the area of the shaded region is equal to 308 centimeter square plus 154 centimeter square. Thus it is 462 centimeter square. Thus, the area of this entire shaded region is equal to 462 centimeter square. Did you understand? Okay. Now, let us come to example number 11. The example reads, on a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay. See here, children, this A, B, C, D is the square shape handkerchief. Inside this, there are 9 circular designs. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circular designs are there. Okay. And the radius of each circular design is 7 centimeter. See here, the radius of this means from here to here, it is the radius. The radius of each circular design is 7 centimeter. Then what is the diameter? The diameter is 14 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of one circular design is 14 centimeter. Like that, there are 3 circular designs. Therefore, 14 threes are 42 centimeter. Therefore, here the diameter of 3 circular designs make 42 centimeter. But that is equal to AB, and this AB is the length of side of the square. Therefore, the length of the side of the square is AB, and that is equal to 42 centimeter. Okay. See here, from here to here it is 7 centimeter radius, but from here to here it is 14 centimeter diameter. Therefore, the diameter of one circular design is 14 centimeter, but diameter of 3 circular designs become 42 centimeter. Therefore, the diameters of 3 circular designs is 42 centimeter, and the length from here to here is also equal to AB. Means the length of the side of the square ABCD is 42 centimeter. That is why 42, 42, 42, 42 centimeters are the 4 sides of the square shaped handkerchief. Okay. But children, what is to be found here? This region means the unshaded region in this handkerchief is to be found. Okay. What is to be found in this handkerchief? Okay. The remaining portion of the handkerchief means excluding this 9 circular designs, whatever the portion remains inside the handkerchief, that should be calculated. Means all this area. Okay. This white portion, this should be calculated. So, area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief is equal to, first find out the area of the square ABCD. Okay. Then minus area of 9 circular designs. Okay. Then we will get the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Okay. Here area of square ABCD is, length into breadth. Length is also 42 centimeter. Breadth is also 42 centimeter. That is why it is 42 into 42 minus, it is 9 times of 5r square. Area of one circular design is 5r square, where r is 7 centimeter. So here 9 circular designs are there. That is why 9 times of 5r square. Okay. But 42 into 42 is 1764 minus 9. 5 means it is 22 by 7. 7 square. 7 square means radius square. After the simplification of all these three, I get 1386 So 1764 minus 1386 is equal to 378 centimeter square. Therefore, children, here the unshaded region is the remaining portion of the handkerchief, excluding this circular designs, right? This is how we were able to find out the remaining portion of the handkerchief. Did you understand? Let us see one more very important example. Example number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design, means shaded region is the question. Look at this, children. Here, this is a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. Okay. That is, if O is its center, then OB becomes radius of the circular table cover, and this BO is radius of the circular table cover, and the radius is 32 centimeter here. Okay. But we need to find the area of the shaded region, and this is the design. Can we see? This is designed part and designed part. Okay. So the area of the designed part we should find out means, first we will find out the area of the circle, and we will subtract the area of this equilateral triangle, then we get only the designed part. Okay. But children, we should have the idea of an equilateral triangle here. So area of the design means shaded region is equal to area of the circular table cover minus area of the equilateral triangle ABC. Okay. Area of the circular table cover is 5r square. Here radius has been given as 32 centimeter minus area of an equilateral triangle is directly calculated as root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. Actually, area of the triangle ABC is half into base into height. Okay. Since it is an equilateral triangle, we use the formula root 3 by 4 a square. But the length of A has not been given here. Means the length of the side of this ABC equilateral triangle has not been given, but we have to calculate. How to calculate? Let us take this equilateral triangle ABC separately and do it. Okay. This is ABC triangle which is equilateral. See here, children. Let AB is equal to A units and BC is equal to A units and CA is equal to A units. Okay. If we take BC as base, then let us construct AD as height, or the perpendicular drawn to the base BC from its opposite vertex A. Okay. To intersect BC at D. This is height AD of the equilateral triangle. Okay. There is a relation between the radius of the circle in which the triangle is inscribed and height of the equilateral triangle. Okay. The relation is the radius of the circumscribed circle is 2/3 times the height of the equilateral triangle. Okay. So here, children, radius of the circle is equal to 2/3 of the height of the equilateral triangle. Means the height is divided into 3 equal parts and 2 parts is taken. That much length the radius of the circumscribed circle will be there. Therefore, we have radius is equal to 2/3 times the height of the equilateral triangle. Here, this AD bisects BC. Therefore, the length BD is equal to DC. Therefore, BD is A by 2 and DC is also A by 2. Is it clear? And this AD is height of the equilateral triangle. Now children, according to the question, okay, 2/3 times the height of the equilateral triangle should be equal to radius, but the radius is 32 centimeter. That is why if we transpose this 2 by 3 this side, h is equal to 32 into, it becomes 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 16s are get cancelled, 16 threes are 48 centimeter. That is why height of the equilateral triangle is 48 centimeter. Okay. Now height is 48. See here. By making use of this height is equal to 48 centimeter, we will be able to find the value of this A, means length of one side of an equilateral triangle. How? We will see. See here, ADB is, okay, a right angle triangle, right angled at D. Let us apply Pythagoras theorem to right angle triangle ADB, in which AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So children, AB square is A, it is A square, is equal to, okay, AD square is H square plus BD square is A by 2 the whole square, right, A by 2 the whole square by Pythagoras theorem. So it is H square plus and this is A square by 4, right. If this plus A square by 4 is transposed to this side, it becomes A square minus A square by 4 is equal to H square, and it is A square by 1. Therefore, LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. Then 1 4s are and 4 1s are. Therefore, 4 A squares are 4 A square, 1 A squares are 1 A square. 4 A square minus 1 A square is 3 A square. Thus, it is 3 A square by 4 is equal to H square. Or if this 3 by 4 is transposed to this side, A square is equal to 4H square upon 3. Therefore, A square is equal to 4 and here height is 48. Therefore, 48 centimeter square because H is 48. So, 48 square upon 3, and if I simplify, this A square is 3072, and when the square is transposed to this side, it becomes A is equal to square root of 3072. Thus, we got the value of A as equal to square root of 3072. Okay. Now children, let us come to the main equation. Area of the design is equal to 5r square minus root 3 by 4a square. Here we will have required area is equal to 5r square. R is 32 square minus root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4. A is square root of 3072 the whole square, right? When this square root of 3072 is squared, it becomes 3072. Okay. Now children, this is 22 by 7 into 1024 minus 768 into root 3. Okay. But see here, this after simplification it becomes 22,528 upon 7 minus 768 into root 3 centimeter square. This can also be the final answer, but 22,528 upon 7 is equal to, okay, how much? 3,218.28, and this minus 768 into this root 3 is 1.73, then minus 768 into 1.73 is 1328.64, and if this is subtracted from 3218.28, it becomes 1889.64 centimeter square. Okay. Therefore children, the area of the designed, okay, or the area of the shaded region in this circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter is 1889.64 centimeter square. Okay, this is the required region. Its area is 1889.64 centimeter square. Okay, this is how today we were able to solve some problems in exercise number 12.3. I request you to solve the rest of the problems in the exercise. Okay, thank you children for watching and learning. See you tomorrow with some other example. Thank you. Goodbye. Hope children today you understood the problems of exercise number 12.3. Okay, tomorrow I will come with the some other problems.